my name's Heidi, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to generate a team report on the flowprofiler platform. Once you have logged into your account, simply move across to the navigation bar on the left. Underneath Manage, click on Teams. You are able to generate a report for individuals that have completed the same assessment. By doing this, you simply click on the assessment that you would like to generate a team report for. I've clicked on EQ Flow and I'm going to click Go. Here I can see a list of all the individuals that have completed EQ Flow, and I'm able to generate a report with these individuals. I do this by selecting the individuals I would like to include on the report. I have selected all the individuals here. I then have the opportunity to anonymize the details of the individuals for the report. If I do, instead of their first names and last names, it will say team member 1, team member 2, etc. I have then to give the team a name. And once I've done that, I click Save. And here the report has been generated, and I can either edit this to add or remove individuals from this report. I can download the report here, or if I wish, I can copy the report link and send this to another individual or individuals with access. Thank you so much for your time. We'll see you again soon.